I think the federal government is something that never shrinks, and so we see them as a wonderful place, a great safe harbor, especially if there's some dark clouds and a potential recession on the horizon.
Joining me today is Bill Trimble, President and CEO of Easterly Government Properties. How is Easterly positioned to perform in the current inflationary environment?
Well, I think we're unique in the inflationary environment for a couple of reasons. First of all, as the incumbent landlord, our rents are renewed at the end of the lease term based on inflation, basically. And so the replacement cost is the only alternative number for the government at that point. So we're seeing, I think, a lot of tailwinds at our back right now in that area. And secondarily, our operating expenses get moved up every year, pegged to urban CPI. So I think we're unique here at the REIT conference in that that's covered, and we don't see a lot of NOI leakage from that standpoint.
Can you describe the current state of the government lease market?
It's always strong. I think the federal government is something that never shrinks, and so we see them as a wonderful place, a great safe harbor, especially if there's some dark clouds and a potential recession on the horizon.
Where does Easterly expect to see the best opportunities for growth in the remainder of 2022?
We've got a very strong identified pipeline, so we're mining that, and also we announced an exciting opportunity last year with a very substantial JV partner, and so I think we have all the different bases covered and are looking forward to an exciting year this year and next.
As you meet with investors this week, what are 3 top reasons you cite to invest in Easterly Government Properties?
Well, I think the full faith and credit of the federal government certainly puts us in a different category. I also think we have a very strong dividend yield, which is, I think, very helpful for investors. And third, I think we have a very fortified balance sheet, so we're able to do well in an inflationary environment. We have long-dated lease terms.